Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule contains a benzene ring directly attached to a carbonyl, C is equal to O group, making it an aryl ketone, also called a phenone. Step 2. Count the carbon chain. Attached to the carbonyl carbon, on the side opposite the phenyl group, is a butyl chain, CH2, 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 CH3, which is 4 carbons long. Step 3. Determine total carbons in the ketone. The carbonyl carbon plus the 4-carbon butyl chain gives a 5-carbon acyl group, pentanol. Step 4. Apply IUPAC nomenclature. The compound is named as a pentan 1-1 with a phenyl substituent at C1. The phenyl group is at position 1, the carbonyl carbon end, giving the name 1-phenylpentan 1-1. Alternatively, it can be viewed as the phenyl ketone of butyl group, butyrophene. Step 5. Confirm. Phenyl plus C is equal to O plus CH to CH to CH to CH3 is equal to 1-phenylpentan 1-1, 5 carbons in the chain including the carbonyl carbon, phenyl at C1. Therefore, the correct answer is 1-phenylpentan 1-1. The correct answer is shown on screen.